With this innovative near-infrared unit from IOSys, it is possible to identify non-carbon black-colored plastic parts directly as flakes, pellets, granules or crushed materials in an easy sampling way, being able to determine the quality, purity and composition of the material, almost in ppm level. For the initial setup, the NIR camera is simply inserted into the device and connected to the trailing cable and the power supply. The desktop device is supplied complete with all necessary accessories and test tools. For the measurement, the material is spread evenly on the white ceramic plate. Careful tapping with a rubber mallet improves the single-layer separation. Depending on the plastic material, up to 200 grams can be measured. To change the sample, the plastic particles distributed on the plate are swept with a wider brush from left to right through the slot into a collecting tray, and the side edges and corners are cleaned of any residues with a smaller brush. The size of the measuring area and the scanning parameters can be individually set depending on the material via the device touchscreen or via the external software supplied. This software, the so-called ICM, can be installed on all common Windows-based computers and connected via a USB connection. After starting the measurement, the NIR camera automatically moves to the 00 starting position and then to the preset recalibration position for the electronic and optical white balance. The siRoPAD scans the equally distributed samples on the white ceramic reflection plate in the X-Y pathway within just around 15 minutes only. More than 200,000 NIR spectra are recorded and displayed graphically on the screen with a maximum surface coverage of the plastic parts on the plate. The area is approximately 50 by 33 centimeters. With various zoom functions, it is possible to carry out manual cross-checks in the so-called map at interesting points on the sample plate during or after the scan and to transfer these NIR spectra to the analysis spectra mode. Questionable particles can be indicated by a red laser dot, which is integrated aside of the measuring head in the NIR camera. This unique function allows a detailed inspection of the detected contamination. The marked particle can thus be manually inspected for appearance and composition. With the siRoPAD, either individual measurements or automated measurement sequences, a batch process, with individual range settings and parameters are possible. Such multiple measurements can be statistically validated. The measurement result can then be displayed graphically on the siRoPAD touchscreen itself and on an external computer screen. Several measurement statistics can be done. Differences in specific weight, thickness or sample surface can also be taken into account in the parameter settings. The measurement results with all the information can then be saved manually or automatically. They can also be grouped and sorted accordingly in the list and printed out as an analysis report on the integrated mini plotter and on a connected PC printer. The ICM software enables the detailed display, loading, saving and editing of spectra. The map can also be duplicated in order to test other identification models. This option allows you to develop your own analysis applications. All measurement files can be manually summarized into analysis statistics, which can be displayed in tabular or graphical form or exported as Excel files. The device is first switched off on the software side using the power push button and then for the hardware side using the green rocker switch. The siRoPAD system is therefore the ideal cost-effective solution for quickly checking non-black thermoplastic compounds for impurities, such as PET and PO compounds and any other mixtures. siRoPAD, a complementary, faster alternative for the conventional roasting process or for the DSC analysis. siRoPAD, for rapid quality control of production processes, for checking the separation quality of sorting systems, as well as for incoming goods inspection of supplier qualities. IOSIS, from Europe's leading plastics identification specialist.